I'm not sure if you're filming anything. Alright, so it's outside. It's like a little bit of a storm head up there. Nothing here so far. I bolted out of bed because I was worried I needed my suntan. Anyway, so this is whatever this is now. Heavy glitter. I don't know how much is going to fall off because it's only glue. And it's has to be baked. Like the process is complex. The chemistry involved. Alright, so this is the bake. Heavy on the glass, like I said. This is probably going to be the simplest one. The glitter would probably fall off at a much. There's no sprays of any kind except the glue, the glitter in the glass on this one here so far. And like I said, I know nothing until the acrylic goes on, and we have to wait. So this will, for the next 2 days, will be in this position of drying. Because because I have to see how much is going to fall off. Alright? And I hope to God no rain comes. But anyway, so this is the step, I don't know, 5. Let's switch to photo mode.